how to download PayPal on your Android device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Play Store on your device. Now, click on the search bar which is at the bottom of your screen. After that, in the search bar, type in PayPal and click on search. You will see an icon like this. Click on it and you will see an install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, installation will be automatically started. After it has been installed, click on Open button to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use it. So that is how you can install PayPal application on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.